When a physicist like myself speaks, it's often about the grand, sweeping possibilities of the future. We talk of starships, of harnessing the power of galaxies, and of our ultimate destiny among the stars. But sometimes, the universe sends us a far more immediate message. It arrives not as a radio signal or an alien artifact, but as an imperceptible change in the cosmic dance. This is what has happened with an asteroid designated 31 Atlas. It has deviated from its path, doing something our models and mathematics say it should not do. When the predictable turns unpredictable, we must pay attention. The unnatural shift of 31 Atlas challenges our assumptions. It may be the universe trying to tell us something. So, what exactly is this object causing a stir? Let's break it down. 31. Atlas is not a Hollywood planet killer, at least not according to its original trajectory. It is significant, cosmic real estate from 4.6 billion years ago. Think of it as a time capsule of rock and ice. Discovered by the Atlas Survey, our planetary watchdog. It scans the sky, finding moving points against fixed stars. Large enough that if paths intersect, it matters. For years, its journey was predictable. A well-behaved body, obeying Newton, refined by Einstein. But then, something changed. A small, persistent deviation, undeniable. A humble time capsule became a mystery, and mysteries demand investigation.
When scientists say unnatural about motion, pay attention. Gravity governs planets, moons, and asteroids. An unnatural shift means a deviation beyond known gravitation, like a bowling ball veering on a perfect lane for no reason. Observed positions keep missing predictions. It looks like a smooth, persistent nudge, not a single impact, more like low, ongoing thrust. Natural suspects are few. First, outgassing. Sunlit ice vents act like tiny rocket nozzles, but 31 Atlas doesn't perfectly match that pattern. We've seen anomalies before. Mercury's orbit, general relativity solved that puzzle. Oumuamua accelerated without a visible tail. Strange deviations open doors to new physics, or more. 31 Atlas is our current cosmic puzzle. My message to NASA and our partners: escalate observations now. Treat 31 Atlas as a top priority scientific target. Dedicate more telescope time, ground and space. Use Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope. Analyze spectra and composition. Hunt for faint outgassing or dust. Capture every photon. Gather every scrap of data. Consider a rapid response reconnaissance probe. A flyby could image, sniff gases, and map heat. We've done bold missions. DART proved it. Interpret data with open minds. Don't dismiss the anomaly. Explore unconventional natural effects, even dark matter. And yes, do not shy away from an artificial hypothesis. Look, analyze, prepare. The stakes are too high to do less. NASA is not idle. Protocols are active. Step 1. Verify every measurement. Priority increased across collaborating observatories. They're building a complete profile. Light, size, spin. Behind the scenes, they explore direct measures. Could JWST catch a faint heat signature? Could a mission reroute for a distant flyby? Publicly, calm, methodical investigation. We must explore every explanation, mundane to extraordinary. Leading candidate, outgassing, if we can detect it. Subtle thermal push, the Yarkovsky effect. A missed encounter or minor collision. Even frontier ideas, interactions we barely grasp. If naturals fail, consider an artificial force. Extraordinary claims demand extraordinary evidence. Oumuamua broke our rules, accelerating without a tail. Its shape was extreme, its nature enigmatic. Some proposed a light sail, controversial but serious. It appeared, defied us, then vanished. 31. Atlas is similar, less dramatic, but ours to study. This time, we have the advantage. Time. Why should you care about a distant rock? Because prediction stands between us and catastrophe. Unknown forces can upend risk assessments. We need better telescopes, models, and physics. And it speaks to who we are: curious, reaching. Are we alone? This becomes a scientific question. Even a slim chance of artificial origin is a turning point. It pushes us to look again, with fresh eyes. The universe speaks in the language of physics.